project balong le pek tek hai
আমি ভাবো কাৰ্বি আংলঙতো মানুহে ফাইট কৰিব আৰু জিকিব আৰু আজি এই বিক্ষোভখনে কাউন্সিল তো লংলে কাচজৰ 18,000 বিঘা দলং কাচজৰ দিয়ে ফাংচি ৰাখোঁ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট ফালৰ পৰা আৰু গোটেই অসমতে আমি এই মাটি যিটো অধিগ্ৰহণৰ বিৰুদ্ধে আমাৰ ফাইট চলি আছে আৰু আমি আজি কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ এই মানুহক আমি এইটো জনাবলৈ আহিছিলোঁ যে এই যিটো মাটিৰ সংগ্ৰাম তেওঁলোকে কৰি আছে তাত তেওঁলোক অকলশৰীয়া নহয় আমি লেণ্ড লাইটছ জইণ্ট ষ্ট্ৰাগল কমিটিৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি তেওঁলোকক সম্পূৰ্ণ সমৰ্থন আগবঢ়াম এই ষ্ট্ৰাগলত আৰু এই গোটেই বিষয়বস্তুটো গোটেই অসম জুৰি নিয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি এটা মানে পাব্লিক অপিনিয়ন কাৰ্যসূচী আমি এটা হাতত ল'ম আৰু আজি আপোনালোকে দেখিছে যে আদানীৰ হাতৰ পৰা বা ৰামদেৱৰ নিচিনা ব্যৱসায় আহি পেলাই মাটিবিলাক অধিগ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছে আৰু তাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে মানুহে ফাইট কৰিছে জিকিছে আৰু আমি ভাবোঁ কাৰ্বি আংলঙতো মানুহে ফাইট কৰিব আৰু জিকিব আৰু আজি এই বৈঠকখনে ইয়াৰ প্ৰমাণ কৰে ধন্যবাদ
Fransi ke lahen lo tangte ka effect je bangke 18,000 bighas he dung along le ke lake ilitum Karbi Anglong pen ke lake dam chui po on top of that la rong inkoi rake thom amulu gotum bang surhini bak sose alang litum bangke la dak pen ka chuklem ka chodam ta chuklem long le det po lalo is la pen ilitum Karbi atum a culture a tradition ta dak pen itum so angkang pen ke dam chui po ilitum aron barim tum pulonte than thili kardom kardi athai da dam jipo Christian etor mo do church pen chenglo kadu we tamil da pen dam lapo lai ke ilitum religious attack lo lapen itum cultural fan attack idum lo lapen on top of that life and death alam do ilitum dak masi dun edet khangjang lahen lo kit kinai ke loss je bangke ke long je bang ku pilo ke long je bang ke ilitum solar power bang long lok po me bang long lok po sidala bang so me ke li ke ha UP Maharashtra ha Delhi Chennai ha daksili ji ilitum la dak len la so me ke tum tangti kedam tang example itum hydro power langpi hydro power theklong lo hala dakta power generate lo sita ammi ki long ke ilitum Karbi Anglong sara me long dun di lahen lo ilitum lahini ka pangbar nangi bang lahen lo
sar CM tuman gason kachingi ji than dulu masalah tu committee hoi pen
laso committee hoi panel itum Delhi tame Asian Development Bank itu meeting na hang lo hala so meeting tame itum chetong dun lo lasi Asian Development Bank la funding agency itum bangke hala da basic guidelines bang pulo je rat itum hada kisung avedening la so project ki bidam pen rat itum culture ka du ko we ki du ke thak anuhok economy phangho hedet nang ji usala tum kipu ta hala so teng pen pulo tang te la da ke non la da ka cheplang thu bangke dake resettlement anta bang claim to lablo ladak ho 4,000 pages do la resettlement plan do dak bang signature ta tuning a February chiklopen bang kon lablo de la ke feri me khangjang lo ase Karbi Anglong autonomous council fund pupe state government fund pupe governor fund pupe several memorandums ke pale edlo la song bong pentame ilitum fund dak report long ke long teng e bang lain lo Karbi Anglong autonomous council bangke kache don dun mate wasteland pukadu ko be paklang dun masi paklang dun rong soni theklong
sonde tang nang tu committee be ke mang gupilo sa min
nilituma committee polilo that affected atum je longle pek thek the pula so kache song long si non markel tum ar jap dun kluk lo lala
sonde ke bangji lang tum peace step dekman po
ke bangji lang step bang ele tum la so committee pen mate that affected atum men chingwai chingsai sin tum claim pon bompo sita democratic ron pen ron mai pukali suluk soda kali kachisong ning ing samjin ron pen India ron ateng pen laken itum chisong pon po lahen la
sir tangte nangliamu lam thang ningjelo edb dak rong arada phan aron ateng dak pc effect ma effect ma la hiwa lam than lap nai pusi pulu tangte non nangli pc pupo the council tum dak rong arat phan
nilitum ke theklong ke amu head jok nilitum la jabang so awareness program do bom hutame ilitum a speaker tum ta me arjulo what is solar project po arjulo inot ta thakan thek bang we pilo solar power plant pen ale doji pilo butala ta inot ta thakan thek bang we that means basic concept tame la rong inkoi ra ke thomorat phan ke thang da pachini pon pin la solar project ke me ke hinolam than pon pin la la si la bang ke totally guidelines ateng hedi kawaile pamelo busini tum jong pon Walam sana lang tu pulo eco sensitive zone pulo tela dake wildlife sanctuary ingnar pen cenglok jontu jonwar anta me daksi ke padu ke pathagi polam si pula hai sita aingnar tadu nonda aingnar tadu atik jat tadu dak jontu jonwar tadu de elephant corridor tadu kadu we angke lahai jong si dulu blo tang tel ada ke project ke wanu ni pin khang jang nang po sita pipolo lang tum ke wani fan board year ke lain le tum ke jong dun ke la si eco sensitive zone pulo to padone la peneli tum tribals man ke tribals dwellers act 2000 forest act di 2006 alom penta itum aron ta duel lo ala so rona teng ben itum duun la da itum hem ga charning 3 stories ayam le kimin eta asam ta hem son kimun ala so rona teng ben di sita piniar ni bangka alang le tum eco sensitive zone pu sita alang le tum ke da solar project mate aron re aki ong along le 18000 bigas along le ke chirai pansi bor ipon le nangi ta long dun de athema nai pharo phanang bong pen trok sir kebra hini afan ke lake ahem phlowe long li busi paklang elo nang li tum adon tin da long li le busi nili hawar lo nili pam lo busi jong lo mene sita lake nang li tum record ke awi bang ha council paklang dun ke lake phan phora phan er kebra phowe long li ahem phu patta ke du busi paklang cho lasi non dang arat tum ke lahai lam bang ke chan yok lo lake long li si perspective pholam si wang lo lain
coming and representing the voices of the people of this area, and I, as a representative of the South Asian Just Transition Alliance, an alliance of all the South Asian countries who are fighting for the justice of people who were affected by projects like this, and also as a part of the Land Struggle Committee of Assam and indigenous rights activist. I am appalled by the sheer injustice that this project is going to bestow upon the people of Karbi Anglong and the people of Assam. So the whole project is based on lies, and which is a travesty of justice, and it's going to be one of the biggest betrayal in the history of Assam of indigenous people, where more than 23 villages are affected directly, where people are completely going to lose out on everything. The environment here is going to be destroyed completely, but the reports that the government, the Karbi Autonomous Council and the Assam government has submitted for taking this loan from Asian Development Bank. And it's a loan, it's not a free money, it's a loan that is put on the heads of our children, which is going to destroy our future. And the amount of lies that they have concocted in putting up this report is appalling. They have lied on every step. They are saying that no indigenous people will be affected. There's no impact on the environment. People have consented on their own free will. So here, I would like to request and demand ADB to take cognizance of this whole project. The free prior informed consent, which is a basic mandatory criteria for Asian Development Bank to give any kind of loan for such project, has utterly been violated to the core. The environment impact assessment has not been done here. Intanki, Deupani, Gorampani, Kaziranga, all these wildlife sanctuaries are a stone's throw away from these places. There are land which is completely been cultivated for hundreds of years by the villagers here, which the reports given to the submitted to the Asian Development Bank is showing us wasteland where people do not waste it. So we are against this, and people have come together. They have not done any kind of awareness campaign here. Everything has been based on lies, and that's why the people here today has taken a pledge to democratically oppose this project, and we demand Asian Development Bank to immediately take complete cognizance of our complaints and have a democratic process where Indian government should not base their idea of just transition on lies, but on truth that protects indigenous communities who are thrown to very dangerous situation today in India and all over the world. Thank you.
So solar project aputhak nilitum mate nilihin kipu mate ratfan ke pachini kangtung sarkar hang pachini kangtung alam theke rapuhan lo jela 18000 bighas along le abangke dag borjan arat tumke pekle thei pusi abang khutin da ningjelo sita angkrak pene tum birta kelong duna teng pote adhok atum phan kumani tum kit her adu pusi arjulong lasi amut pialam nang gelalo laso 18,000 bighas along le bangke APDCL aphan council tum kipi deji phansi tum chisik tanglo lapen APDCL lapen council tum chelangsi ADB Asian Development Bank tum phan khodai deji sila tum chisik lo lasi nil tum kachinda mateng polangte lake council tum longle kachjor 18,000 bighas along le kachjor ye phansi tum chisik lo lasi labangso 18,000 bighas along le along bangke raratung chidon tek thei pusi pini dak amai long tame kaduk abeta ratun da opinion pilo lasinil tum hin pen ka chunuri kang tungal halo council tum labangso lambang mathapa mera la 18,000 bighas along le bangke APDCL fan ki pipe deje fan se nili hin pen chunuri lo nil tum hin pen chunuri lo la penil tum karjulong teng polong te Asian Development Bank tum bangke jongsi dak kido arara tum jongsi chidon de po ang thek paklang thek detlo ang thek dokok lo polong te Asian Development Bank tum bangke la solar project aphan tangkai sponsor sei pusi alang tum pen kaninje pudan tum birta longdun athe Asian Development Bank tum si tangka dak pene sponsor ji la si dak poisa pidet pen mo api alama ki dokok lo polote la tum atangka bangke na hokdet pu pulat na kache pheri du pusan tum arjulong athema ladak laso 18,000 bighas along le aphan 4,000 crore atangka pensi kinam ji han kache sik pusti dum arjulong lasi la 4,000 crore atangka kache palong log je phansi council open APDCL tum kabur I putan tum birta longdun lasi labangso 18,000 bighas along le solar project han ki pia bangke lake karbiang long arat aphan lake kipi kali mate karbiang long arat alle aphan lake hodai kali lake ha West Bengal, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai long ki do akiche so tumphan make up a dorji phansi dak solar project bangke biji lape lasi karbiang long arat kimchi nagi lapen nili kan ko adusi nili kan kang tungal halo labangso akisung ke lake borjan arat chole kisung gali lake karbiang long arat like kisung lake labangso 18,000 bighas along leke dam ju ke lake dak borjan havar det along leke dam kali lake karbiang long along le sik dam lo la pot si nili to mehin penke ke wang tujiar nianta labangso solar project aphan council pen kapa pilong le deji fans tin tum tangkring pen chi song punji pusi tum ke kachisik do